Hello, dear learner. Welcome to the Learner's Deck. Do you feel stuck while speaking in English? Many learners face this problem, not because their English is bad, but because they don't use phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are the heart of daily communication. So, in this video, I'll explain 10 commonly used phrasal verbs with their clear meanings and examples, so you can start using them confidently in real life. Before we begin, what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition or an adverb. Together, they give a new meaning. Example, give up, which means to stop trying. Number 1, step down. Step down means to resign from a position or leave a position. It is nothing but a voluntary resignation from a high ranking job or position. The examples are the CEO stepped down after the controversy. Instead of telling the CEO resigned after the controversy, we can simply say the CEO stepped down after the controversy. He decided to step down from his position. He decided to resign from his position. Instead of that, he decided to step down from his position. Look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Example, who will look after the house when you are away? Instead of telling who will take care of the house when you are away, we can say who will look after the house when you are away. Another example, she looks after her younger brother. So it means to take care of or be responsible for or supervise something or someone. Run out of. Run out of means to have nothing left. It shows that something is finished or exhausted. We have run out of time, or we ran out of milk this morning. We don't have any time left. Instead of telling that, we have run out of time. That's so simple, isn't it? Next, bring up. Bring up means to mention a topic. Example, she mentioned the issue during the meeting. As an alternative to that, she brought up the issue during the meeting. Interesting, right? Don't bring up old arguments again. So it means to raise a topic or start a discussion. Carry out. Carry out means to perform or complete a task. For example, the team carried out the plan successfully. Instead of telling the team completed the plan successfully, which is also right, we can say in order to enhance our communication, the team carried out the plan successfully. The police carried out an investigation. The police conducted an investigation. Instead of that, the police carried out an investigation. It's often used for official or planned actions. It is nothing but to execute or to conduct. Put up with. Put up with means to tolerate something unpleasant. I can't put up with the noise anymore. She puts up with a lot of pressure at work. It means accepting something you don't like. It also means to endure or to bear. I can't tolerate the noise anymore. Instead of that, I can't put up with the noise anymore. Pick up. Pick up has multiple meanings. It means to learn something naturally. She picked up English very fast. Or collect something. I'll pick up the parcel on my way home. So the context is very important. It also means to improve. The business picked up or lift something from ground. He picked up the parcel. Breakdown. Breakdown has two meanings. First, when something stops working. The bus broke down on the way. Second, emotional breakdown. She broke down in tears. So it can mean machine failure or emotional collapse. Sign off. Sign off. Sign off means to end a message or stop communicating. It also means to officially approve something. The news anchor signed off, which means the broadcast ended. The principal signed off on the school trip, which means the principal gave official permission to the school trip. I'll sign off now. Talk to you tomorrow. Ending the conversation. Catch up. Catch up means to reach the same level as someone or something. If you miss the classes, you need to catch up with your studies. So it means to become updated or equal again. Let's meet this weekend and catch up. Talk after a long time. That means to talk after a long time. In today's class, we have learned important phrasal verbs used in daily communication. Regular practice will help us use them fluently and confidently. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. With this, I conclude my today's session. Thank you, and let's catch up in the next class. Till then.